woman charged with the murder of a Rio Rancho police officer went in front of a judge this morning for something else that could put her behind bars for 5 years. So why was Tabitha Littles laughing in the courtroom? Here's News 13's Marissa Lucero.
In court today, Tabitha Littles sat with two other female inmates whispering and smiling at our cameras. One of them even waves. The three continue laughing. At one point, Littles finds time to comb through her hair, behavior you wouldn't expect from someone being charged with the murder of a police officer. Littles was in court today for a probation violation hearing in cases unrelated to the shooting.
At this time, she's going to admit that she violated her probation in that she, during the term of probation, was outside of Bernalillo County without permission of her probation officer.
That's because Littles was on probation for theft and drug charges and wasn't supposed to be in Rio Rancho the night Officer Greg Benner was ambushed and killed during a traffic stop back in May. When prosecutors brought up that night, that brought out courtroom tears from Littles. Prosecutors say Littles didn't do anything to keep her boyfriend Andrew Romero, who was wanted for armed robbery at that time, from gunning down Benner. They say she didn't do anything to warn the officer about the ambush.
Officer Benner went to check on the probationer, then approached the vehicle where he was shot. He walks back to the probationer to ask who that driver was, and then collapses and dies. The probationer knew that the accomplice was going to shoot the officer.
Marissa Lucero, KRQE, News 13.
Now, the judge delayed a little sentencing for another 3 weeks for those probation violations. She's supposed to go on trial for the Benner murder in June. An event this week will help honor Officer Benner. On Thursday, the fallen officer would have been 50 years old. His widow, Julie, will release 50 balloons in his honor and is encouraging the community to come out to help her. The event is Thursday night at 7 p.m. on Pine Tree Road. Several balloon releases will also take place in the officer's honor in his native England and in Australia.